America and every other country. It's about sunrise. It's beautiful back there. There it goes. Focus. So it's early, about 6. Fixing to ride up here towards Birmingham and maybe go explore some trails around Birmingham. Ride over to Trust Vegas and get some lunch or something, some sushi, something yummy. I don't know. It's Sunday though, so let's see what we can get into. This is the old entrance to the mine down there. It's a back conservation area. And we obviously don't have any kind of equipment to go in there, but there's the old entrance right there. Pretty cool stuff. We got some more stacks, more old foundations. Some old concrete. Pretty cool.